Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke and in today's video I'm going to host a new giveaway. I really wanted to do an extra giveaway because I just reached my 25k subscribers. Thank you so much for that, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because there will be, I think, an extra giveaway after this one, but I'm not quite sure what I will give away yet. But for this giveaway I really wanted to share a couple of nail polishes that I actually have double in my collection. These are completely new, unopened, unused and so on. These are 7 polishes by the Essence Shine Last and Go collection, and the first one is called Electric. I really love this one. It's definitely an electric blue tone, really opaque, really gorgeous. The second one that one winner will be able to get their hands on is called Creating Memories. This is like a medium purple, really lovely and just really cute to wear, to be honest. Then a beautiful classic red, perfect for any time of year. This one is called Femme Fatale or Fatal. No idea how to pronounce this one, but it's a really nice classic red. Another one is one that I just recently did a nail polish of the week video about, but of course with my own bottle. This one is called Walking on Sunshine, and it's like one of those beautiful sunshiny mustardy kind of yellows, really gorgeous in fall as well. Then I also wanted to put in this lovely minty green. Personally, I'm not a big fan of greens, but mint greens are always gorgeous. And this one is called Everybody Say Yeah. It's a really beautiful creamy one, and 1 to 2 thin coats is good enough. Then I also wanted to share my favorite white nail polish, which is this one. It's called Wild White Ways. It's really nice to work with, but do work fast because these polishes dry pretty quickly. And then to finish it off, I also wanted to put in this clear one, which is perfect to use when you want to work with loose glitters and so on. And yeah, that were actually all of the polishes that I am giving away this time. So how to enter, I'm just going to write it all down as usual. If you want any additional information, or maybe you have missed a little bit while watching this video, I will just link it all down below in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. So this is my 25k subscriber giveaway part 2, because I have just closed the previous giveaway. But what you have to do to enter is of course be subscribed. That is practically most you have to do. A lot of you already are subscribed. Big thank you for that, and big shout out to that as well. Of course you have to leave a comment mentioning that you're entering. Leave your Instagram handle or an email address so I can contact you if you are the randomly chosen winner. And of course I would really appreciate it if you would give a thumbs up to this video, just to make sure that I know if you like this giveaway. Of course you have to be older than 18 years or have your parents or like guardians permission, because I will be asking your postal address to send out the prize if you are the chosen winner. This giveaway is open internationally. It doesn't matter where you're from or where you live. I'm going to ship it out to you personally. Again, this is not a sponsored giveaway or anything like that, so I will just host it and pay for it totally myself. And yeah, the winner will be picked randomly through one of those YouTube comment picker thingies. That really works wonders. Just make sure that you leave a comment saying you're entering, and just leave your email address or an Instagram handle and let me know where you are from, because I'm always really curious about that. This giveaway is open from July 26th and it runs throughout August 8th. So you have 2 weeks to enter, leave a comment and so on. Of course I really appreciate it if you would like to share this giveaway on your own social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anything like that. I really appreciate that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Here's another little overview of how to enter. I really hope you like this giveaway. Let me know if there are any other specific things you would like me to do in future giveaways. Something like stamping plates or other nail polish brands or anything like that. I know that Essence is mostly available internationally, but sometimes it can be quite hard to get your hands on it if you're not in Europe. So yeah, that's actually why I just wanted to grab some doubles that I had in my O collection and just give these 7 polishes away to one lucky winner. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you're going to enter, and as usual, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.